Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new gaming experience where you go from level 1 to level 5 to level, wait for it, 15. Okay, sorry, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Wait, is that 1, 2, 3, 4? That's 4, not 5. That's 1, that's 4, and that's, I cannot count that. Any flippers. First of all, Skywars updated. Might be making a video on that. Accurate Piggy updated. I already beat it. Easy. But, okay, if you haven't realized yet, Prehistoric Tombs has come out inside of Roblox Domain. Honestly, I have an idea for what I'm going to do with this. And I'll show you guys what my idea is. So let's just join a game of dummy real quick. I'll make sure to God, no clip, all that stuff. But I just want to be real with you guys. This game has been experiencing some big boy lag issues. On computer, at least, because on mobile it's fine. On computer, wait, this is also kind of fine. Well, except for those lag spikes right there. Like, I'm just right there. You see, lag spike, or I don't even know what that's called. Also, Terrific's hat and wings are right there. It happened with Carl, but who cares? This is an unpopular game, so I'm not gonna fix it. L. Okay, if this becomes popular overnight, I'm gonna cry, kind of. No, I'm not, but happy tears. Let's just jump into the portal. Okay, so let's talk about the future of Roblox Dummy, because there's only gonna be like 2 or 3 more updates to this game. Very sorry. So, first off, Chapter 6 is gonna be the last chapter. I know, so sad. I was thinking for the memes of just making this a hospital because, Piggy Hospital. That'd be kind of funny. But what's a good end? At the end of my chapter, I want there to be like a weapon, and you destroy Dummy or something, and then you win or something. I don't know. Just something different. Yeah, something different. Well, of course you're still gonna have to find keys and stuff, but at the end you're gonna grab a sword or something. You're gonna go over to a guard dummy, you're going to attack him, and then you're gonna go grab the win. It's going to be a giant note that shows you all the answers, and someone's gonna lose. I don't know, something like that. I don't know what the chapter's gonna be. You guys put your ideas in the comments. Alright, now that we have that idea taken care of. Okay, by the way, this is so laggy. I'm not sure if you guys are experiencing lag, but I definitely am. Alright, so, why is there a penguin? Why is there a snowman? Why are there these giant ice dudes? Well, if you know how to read, I think it will explain it. It says, Dumb Invasion, boss fight live event, coming soon. You see, in case you don't know much about me on YouTube, I, for one, have a favorite season, and that would be winter. Why am I saying this? It's because, well, it's also because it's my favorite season. But another question that my favorite season thing answers is that why I'm still doing a Frost event in January of 2022 when Among Us died. No, that was 2021. Sorry, I'm very epic. Where new memes come and stuff. Also, look at this fire shirt I'm wearing. Go find him, Gold773's profile, and also subscribe to Galaxio on my channel. Okay, I'm not sure if you could hear that. Hopefully you did, because you need to subscribe to Galaxio right now, one of my favorite YouTube channels. Something about it. I just like their content. I'm totally not friends with them or anything. I just enjoy their content, Okay, anyways, what is this? It's a boss fight. Why the flip did that penguin just jump? I have no... Is this penguin I jump and then it jumps? Wait, is that's kind of sick. Wait, am I stupid right now? Wait. It just... I don't know what to say, but, subscribe to Killer Shark Gaming YT and Galaxia, please. Alright, anyways. The snowman penguin, who is very creepy because he jumps when I jump. Sometimes. Yeah, it's going to be basically just a giant boss fight, And I have 3 options for this. One option is going to be that it is a map. You complete a map while a boss is chasing you, and you use all sorts of epic moves and stuff. And then you complete the map. Just think of, like, you know, Piggy APRP Chapter 3 in a nutshell inside of my Roblox game. Poorly scripted. That's what I was thinking about making it. Or I could make it another way where it's just a timer, kind of like this. And then you just have to survive for like 5-10 minutes or something, and then you get the badge. I don't know how to do that, first of all. But I'll figure it out. You know, for the dummy community. There isn't even a dummy community besides Terrific Turkey and some other epic people who follow my game. Thank you for those people, by the way. But, like, yeah, I was thinking of focusing on updating Sword Wars now, actually. My brand new hit game about getting into the sky to get better loot and stuff. I'll get into that maybe later in the video if you guys want. I can't read your comments. What the flip am I talking about? Or honestly, just go play Sword Wars. Link is on the description. Ha! If you want to play it so bad, then just go on my profile. Right, Jumping Penguin. It didn't jump. My heart is broken. Anyways, yeah, the boss fight, I could either do that. Okay, A is my first idea, B is my second idea, and then C would be my third idea, which is putting it into another Roblox game that I connect to this one. Now, this is probably the least common one, but if you guys want me to do it, I'll figure it out, okay? I kind of know how to script that. I mean, I know how to script badges at least, so, like, that's good. Okay, so what I want you guys to do is either comment A for the first idea, B for the second idea, or C for the third idea. And then if you even want, put a colon and then a little helpful response maybe as well on why you want that idea. Because I want to know all your reasons. I want to know all, like which update you want me to do. I'll definitely be doing Chapter 6, but I feel like the boss fight is more important at the moment because that might take a little bit more scripting. And as you know, I'm not the best scripter. Okay, I've made up my own script before, like created it based off of some script. I don't know, I made a healing script on my own. I know how to script badges. Like, I know how to script a few things. I don't know how to script game passes though. If you guys want a game pass, I might make one for like donation or something. I think I actually already did that though. Did I? Oh yeah, I did. Donation owned 100 Robux. So if you guys want to like buy that, like, please. Anyways. Yeah, that's basically just the future of my dummy game. Oh yeah, and also please don't expect player skins to come soon. They ain't doing nothing for like a year. Unless some random idiot on Discord pings me and says they know how to make them. And they've been watching my videos and show me some clips of them doing that. Okay, so anyways, that is basically what the future Roblox dummy is going to be. Oh yeah, and one more thing, I'm removing the intermission music. Who cares about that? It's just going to be, you can use the skip intermission thing to join the game. It's now going to be called the join game. Probably going to put it more in the center. But, you know, I actually have a vision of what this boss fight is going to look like. And I might actually start working on it right after this. But yeah, and then again, Chapter 6 is going to be the last chapter. It's going to have a badge. Pretty sick. Then, boss fight is going to come after that. Or before that, I'm not sure. Just comment your ideas. Comment A, B, or C, colon, response. Bam. Yeah, that stuff. And also comment your favorite fruit if you like epic things, like Among Us. Anyways, that was the video. I'm going to start scripting the boss fight. I'll see you guys later. Comment your ideas. Bye. So laggy, I can't even end the video. LOL. Okay, bye.